Hi everybody, this is Kristen, and as a follow-up from our meeting today, we're going to do a quick tutorial on what it actually looks like to use the whiteboard function as the host in Zoom. So first, I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to record this. It is a tool. If you go to online learning, online at virginia.edu, online.virginia.edu, there's a faculty resources tab. In that page, there's a ton of resources. We're going to talk a lot about many of them during this, including screencasting, which is this recording your desktop. I like to use Screencast-O-Matic just because I find it easy to use and it does captions. So it is one way that I can use a tool to show you what the instructor view looks like, since I can't show it to you in Zoom. So if you're in Zoom, we're going to go to share screen. And then there's a whiteboard function. So we're going to share that. To resize it, because it shows you all my stuff from the background, you have to go at the sides until you get an arrow, and then you can resize it. This little document with a plus makes an additional page. I've never gone in between it, but I could see doing like, hey, we're going to do the first idea and then the second idea. We can try that out in our group if we want to see what the participant experience is like. The main toolbar that you see for whiteboards is this one. There's the select, text, draw, stamp, spotlight, eraser, format, undo, redo, clear, and save. And so you can save multiple times if you want to show iterations. I would say that typically nobody wants to write first. So if you can either put some content on there quick when you first go on, or nudge a few students to put some content on, once there is content there, more people will then post. I can put, hi, my name is Kristen. If I want to move it around, I can use the select tool and I can move it around anywhere I want. If you want to reformat it, you have to select it. So most people have a larger default size. I think it's 24 is the font size. And if you have a larger class, if you've got 40 people and they're all actually contributing, all the text is going to overlap. So you can change the text, you can change colors, you can change sizes, and you can move it around. As the host, you can also change the size of the box. Stamps, what we learned today in class is if you use the arrow stamp, it doesn't do this for a host, but it does this for a participant. If you put your stamp on it, as the participant, we saw today, it put your name in there. As the host, it doesn't. I'm not quite sure why it does that. But whiteboards are a fantastic tool to do collaborative group work where students can remain somewhat anonymous, so they can maybe be more vulnerable here of saying, you know, how they're feeling or what they're not understanding. It's a great tool, and you can record it and save the screenshots for reference. Anyway, I hope that helps. Have a great day.